Hello and welcome once again to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we will learn to use Pandora FMS Discovery, which provides a set of tools to simplify monitoring through wizards. Some of these tools are network recognition tasks, agent deployment, Discovery Cloud or Discovery Applications, which is the tool we're going to focus on in this video. This one allows us to monitor Oracle or MySQL environments from a new administration console. From Pandora FMS version 741, Discovery Applications incorporate a new member to its family, which is SAP. We should point out that for versions prior to 741, the official SAP plugin must be deployed on Pandora FMS server, so there's also an option to monitor this system, but it will not be the method that we will see today. To carry out this SAP task, go to the menu on the left, Discovery Applications SAP. From there, Pandora FMS will guide you in each step to configure the task. The first thing you will see is a message warning that you need a specific license to use it. You should have been provided with this license by your salesperson, and here you have to enter it by clicking on the link or by going from the menu to Setup, Enterprise, and to the very end. Once this field is completed, continue with SAP Discovery and see the fields to fill in the task. In task name, indicate one that helps you identify it, for example, SAP task. Here in Discovery Server, the server in charge of executing the task will be indicated. In intervals, select the time you want to go by, in case of selecting the define option between task and recognition task. If you choose manual, the task will be launched and repeated only when you force it. In host name, client, and system number, fill in the fields with the data from your SAP system. SAP credentials will be associated with the credential store where you can have users and passwords stored to use in cases like this. If you have not used it yet, you can go there from the menu Profiles, Management of Agent Groups, and in the upper right menu on the key you will go to this section. Here you may easily add the credentials, giving a name to identify it associated with a group, choosing the target application and inserting the username and password. Finally, in groups, select one from those in the box. I will select applications, for example, so my agents will belong to that group, having a better organization that will help me when searching or executing tasks on a specific agents. Once these fields are filled in, click Next. This leads us to the second part of the task configuration where the possible modules to be created have to be selected from a list. Just select the ones you want and move them to the box next to it. Click Finish and the task configuration is finished. Now force the task to start and wait for the results. Once you're done, you will have your agent created where you will see some modules such as the system status, the number of system users, system log entries, cancel tasks, etc. You can also see the specific SAP view integrated as a new tab within the agent view. If the system detects that the agent is an SAP agent, you will see an access to the SAP View tab. This agent view will provide an overview of the status of the current agent's SAP modules. You will find this same view if you go to Monitoring SAP View in the left menu. This will show a board of graphs with the SAP modules available for the selected SAP agent, and you may choose a refresh time and interval to be displayed in the graphs. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you can contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you in future tutorials. Bye!